Good Life
Rving.
And we're out and about having a little lunch today.
Yes, we are.
And we thought we'd hop on, make a quick video letting you know that we're giving you the opportunity to ask us any questions that you have for our 6 months of RVing.
Yeah.
It has been 6 months, can you believe it? And we are still enjoying it, still loving it. And we're giving you the opportunity to ask us whichever questions you have about RVing or about us.
Right.
So drop in the comments below your question and we will answer them and have the video out on Sunday.
Yes.
And then also don't forget, you can purchase your Living the Good Life RVing mask, and they're only $10. And I'll leave the link below to the PayPal account to send your $10 to, so that we can ship out your new Living the Good Life RV mask.
Yeah.
They're
pretty nice too.
They're great.
Yeah.
So we want to thank everyone for subscribing, liking, and commenting on our videos and supporting us. And we will see you guys soon.
Soon.
Talk to you later.
Okay.
Live the good life.
Living the dream.
Bye, guys. Please like and subscribe and follow us on YouTube. Live the good life
And living the dream.